Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to remove your password on Telegram using the latest updated method. Whether you set up two-step verification a while ago or just added it recently, these quick steps will help you turn it off safely and instantly. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your mobile device. Once it's open, look at the top corner of your screen. If you see your profile picture, tap on it. If instead you see three horizontal lines, the classic menu icon, tap that. Both will take you to the same main menu where we can find the settings. Next, scroll through the options and select Settings. From there, choose the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram stores all security-related features, including your two-step verification settings. Once you're inside the Privacy and Security page, find and tap on two-step verification. It may ask you to enter your current password to continue. Go ahead and type in your password to open the settings. Now you're at the main two-step verification screen. Here, you'll see an option that says Disable Password. Tap on that. Telegram will ask you to confirm your decision before turning it off. Simply confirm. And that's it. Your password protection will be removed immediately. After disabling two-step verification, you'll no longer need to enter your password when logging in on a new device. Telegram will continue to keep your chats and data secure using other built-in encryption measures, but without that extra manual password prompt. That's all it takes, just a few quick steps to remove your password on Telegram. If you ever change your mind or want to add it back later, you can easily return to the same settings and set up a new password again within seconds. Thanks for watching.